having a nice day. So during the quarantine, your girl was like, I still need to look cute. So I went to do some retail therapy in Taobao. I want to say that I'm not a Taobao expert. This is actually my first time properly shopping in Taobao. Usually I just shop whatever my friend's getting. I just have a look and see, you know. But this time I went full on in and shop in Taobao myself with my friend's help. I know I always get a lot of questions like, Sundaesins 姐姐, can you teach me how to be on budget but still look good? Sundaesins 姐姐, how do you not work but still can buy clothes? Well, today Sundaesins 姐姐 is gonna teach you how to be budget and look chill boo. I'm sorry, I'm a bit overhyped right now. And also, did you know most of the stories you scroll on Instagram are mostly from China? A lot of them are from Taobao and AliExpress. It is not difficult to find clothes that you want in a certain style and find it on Taobao, because now you can scroll on Instagram, see whatever clothes you like, screenshot, send it to Taobao, and Taobao will be showing you different stores that have the same similar styles, the same similar clothes. Like one shirt, if you just screenshot this one shirt, you can find it in like 11 easily 11 different stores. But of course, all the stores have their different quality, their different measurements. All you gotta do is look for customers' feedback with picture, and you can see how the clothes look in real life. I bought 8 of these clothes for around 200 ringgit with shipping. Like 200 ringgit plus with shipping, that's like crazy. It's always a good idea to shop with your friends so you can share shipping. And yeah, we'll just try out one by one together and see how it goes. My only worry is not being able to fit in these clothes because your girl has quarantine fat right now. I've already put on some weight, and also the measurements are my friend's body measurements. I just like roughly match it with hers because I don't have a measuring tape, you know? Like, hey girl, what's your bust size? What's your waist size? What's your hip size? But we're gonna make things do because this is like only 200 bucks. Like, can you imagine like one dress on the normal blog store is already like 200 bucks? Well, you can get 8 dresses from Taobao, and that's like 200 bucks including shipping. And the budget auntie in me is like shaking right now. Let's try some things out. Also, if you're new here, please subscribe to the family. I post videos whenever I want to. Please click the bell icon because you'll never know when I post videos, and I don't want you to miss out, you know what I'm saying? And if you want more of this, you can just follow my Instagram. I post up stuff there all the time, baby. I'm so tired. Tops, I know I got like 2 of the same green top. It's not really the same. I'm gonna show you the difference, okay? Okay, so this one is a bralette. I forgot that I bought a bralette. Like the back here is adjustable, so I am in the middle part right now. And yeah, I super like the color. I like that it has paddings. I remember I said in my Fashion Nova haul that, oh, it does not have paddings, but because this is from China and usually Asian stuff have paddings. I'm staying in Malaysia and we're a bit conservative like that, so we still have our paddings on. But I am not against it because I feel like paddings always makes the girls look so nice. Okay, please don't get demonetized. So if you're wondering, most of the stuff here I'm wearing is M or L size. Yes, I am a UK 6 or a UK 8, but on China I am L and I'm large. Let's see this white color cardigan that I see a lot of girls who, you know, like the Korean style, like true. They're like very cute and sweet. So yeah, I don't know why I got this in this color because I recently bought the same one from Muji, but straight up I could tell that the quality ain't Muji, so whatever. I wish I bought it in a different color though. So yeah, let's take a look. Oh yes, yes. So one thing I like about my sweaters or my jackets, it has to do this. The sleeves has to go far, you know. I don't like it here. Please don't give me this bullshit. But yeah, I like it when it's long. Let's have a look. Yes, this is not Muji type at all because like this is also kind of cropped. It's kind of cute. Yes, I like it. Okay, but I always don't know what to do with this thing. Like, do I just leave it open or do I leave it closed? I don't know. But yeah, it's super cute. I like it. Oh, it kind of matched my bottoms as well. And one thing I'm really conscious because I have big arms now from pole dancing. So like I hate it when sweaters give you that, oh, your arms look even more massive. And this one I think is doing okay. It's not that bad. It's alright. It's not that bad. I like it. This bralette is 25 renminbi. And this cardigan is 28 renminbi. She wore it like clothes. Let me see how it looks like clothes. Can I even close this? So this is how it looks like clothes. It's kind of cute, but I kind of won't wear it like that because I don't like how, you know, you see this thing going on. It's like kind of coming out. And yeah, I really like it. For the quality, for this price, it's super cheap. Next one, I'm trying out this green color top again. I am so into green right now, but this is more like a satin material. It looks like that. This one I feel like it's kind of in your face, and I'm not sure what is this supposed to do. Like, do you just leave it like that? I'm gonna just leave it like that. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I'm not super a fan of the fabric. On the photo, it looks really nice and it did not look so shiny. I hate that like it's kind of loose down here, like it makes no sense to be that loose. Maybe I'm just a bit small chest or something. Maybe this could fill out like bigger boobs, girl. In a certain angle, because it's satin and it kind of moves around your bra. So like sometimes you wouldn't know, and you know, you just tilt down and you can see your bra, which is really unglam. This top was 25. Oh wait, she did tie it up. Wait. So let me see if that helps a bit. Girl, if I tied it in a knot, you could see my bra. What is going on? Maybe you could like not wear a bra inside, or wear like those stick-on bras. Maybe that would be better, but yeah. Okay, so I just managed to zip up myself in this. So yeah, this is the next top. My first impression was like, which curtain did you cut to sew this, bitch? But like, look at the sides. Don't this look like one of those grandma tablecloth settings? And I'm not wearing any bras right now because I think it's quite tight with the bra on. I look like a slutty milkmaid. Like, do you want some milk? I got them fresh out of the farm today. Oh my god. These are what girls wear on Oktoberfest. I like the puffy sleeves even though I have like this arm issue. It does not like make my arm look overly huge, which I like. It's nice. This is like a nice Sunday brunch kind of outfit, I guess. If anyone wants to take me out on a Sunday brunch date, you know who to call. Moving on, we'll be trying out 3 clothes. Since I'm already in white, let's just try out this white dress. I know, I have a thing with like lacy white stuff, and it never goes old. It looks like kind of like the same thing with the puffy sleeves, it being white lace. I don't know how it's gonna look like, but we'll give it a go. Guys, I am so upset. I literally can't fit into this dress. I will literally burst the zip if I try some more. Oh wait, I'm trying it from the top right now. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I hope that I can fit this. Pull it down. Ugh. Oh my god, I haven't zipped this. I can't zip it! No! It's too small for me! What size was this? Oh man! Oh my god, look at the cute bottom! If only I could fit this. This is, oh my god, I think this is the most expensive one on my list. This is like 59 renminbi. Girl, I can't fit this. I can't. Go back. No, I'm so sad. I can't fit it. I cannot. If I could fit this, this would have been a really cute dress. Like, look at the bottoms. Look at the frills. Look at the way when you shake your ass. It looks nice. Oh, I'm so upset with myself. It's cute. I like it, but I can't fit it. If you see me on Instagram in this dress, you know that I cannot fit this. And the back is not zipped at all, so You know. So moving on, I'm just gonna face my fear and try out something which is tight as well. Wait, what size did I get this in? This zebra top that I actually saw my friend wearing. Oh my god, it's free size. I'm really scared of the word free size because it is tight. It is kind of tight, so we're gonna see if this free size is my size or not. Okay, so this is what free size look like. Not gonna lie, kind of liking it, kind of not. In pictures, it looks really cute. I don't know, you could go to the beach, you could go to the pub, you could go to a bar, could, I don't know, go on some safari theme thing. But quality wise, it is not the most expensive quality. It fits your body, not gonna lie. It's body hugging, so I'm not sure if you are L or like XL, you know, I'm not sure if this is a good choice for you. If you're pregnant, let me just say, if you're pregnant with baby, you cannot put this in. You can, well, technically you can when you're pregnant. You can put it like that, you know. Technically you can. Alright, let's move on to the next one, which is this baby blue dress. So this is my second last piece, and this straight up, the material is kind of like poly. I don't really like this kind of material, but I saw the picture and she looks really cute in it. Oh my god, guys! Good or bad? Straight up for me, it's straight up bad because I look like I'm wearing a nightgown. How come she wears it so nice? I don't understand. I think it's a face issue. I feel like the cutting's a bit weird. Like, it's just straight. There's like no flare or anything to this. It's just straight. But however, it is a very comfortable, soft material and lightweight dress. Maybe I could add some accessories. Maybe I could add some necklace and a bag, and it does not look like I'm going to sleep. This one was 33 renminbi and it's also free size. This is why I say like buying dresses are so hard. And now this is the last item, the last dress. Please don't disappoint me. As you can see, I'm a bit girly this season. I like my florals, I like my dresses. I'm trying to find more dresses because I realize I've been just living in sweats a lot and it's not really nice. I like feminine dresses, but Taobao just doesn't allow me to wear that. I tried, guys. He helped. I can't get it, like seriously. Why you gotta disappoint me like that? Wait,
it's
almost there!
Can.
Pull!
How much did you pay for this?
I don't know.
Is it cheap?
Like, it's quite cheap. But no, okay, I can't.
Jump.
No, I can't. Oh my god, I can't take it out now. Oh wait, stop pulling.
You can.
No.
No, you can do it.
I can't.
You can make it.
No.
I believe in you.
Look! I can't go in. So that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this Taobao haul. Some of the things here are kind of cute, some of the things are not, which I'm trying to get out in.
You should wear your pet.
So that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this Taobao haul. Some of the things here are kind of cute, some of the things just don't fit. So remember to always get your right sizing and don't look at your friend's size just because you're too lazy or you don't have a measuring tape. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do share, subscribe, and like if you like more of these videos. And I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.